It's a company that's always ended up with amazing technology and innovation due to its curiosity. To me, Godrej is really special because when I was a little kid, our cupboard was Godrej. We had a refrigerator that was Godrej. We had these safes which were Godrej. So I feel fantastic to be associated with the product now. I think it's curiosity that takes humans forward in terms of technology. This is fantastic because it's also eco-friendly. I think the air conditioners that are being launched. Eco-friendly, and that's what's special. I think in living in the consumer market, we always get really greedy and we forget what's happening around us. So I think if appliances, if companies and multinationals start looking at giving back to where you come from, and even in technology, if you can have simple things like having something that's eco-friendly, it just makes it much better and a great experience. Well, I think in today's day and age, everyone is part of technology. Those days are gone when you say that, I'm not into technology, be it from your refrigerator to your air conditioner to your phone to your computer. So I think I'm pretty tech savvy. What warms me more to technology is if there is less waste, if it is eco-friendly. I've given a choice, I would definitely go for something that is that conserves energy more, and that's why I feel really good about today with these 5-star. As you know, I'm an ambassador for a global green campaign also in India. And it feels fantastic when you're in an alliance with a multinational or a company, and you actually see them with a conscience that it's not just about going out there and selling something. It's also you're thinking about what you can do in your own ways, in your own small ways. And I think if every company did that in their particular sector, let's say they're doing it for appliances, somebody does it for cars, somebody does it for whatever, different things. I think half our global warming problem would anyway go away. One gadget I admire the most, well, without sounding really think about it, I would have to say fans and ACs. Because I can't take the heat, I really can't. I can take the cold because when it's cold, you can take 20 rajais and you can wear warm clothes and you can keep a hot water bottle. But when it's hot, you can't do anything.